Hey engineering students, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a classic problem in strength of materials, SOM, analyzing a simply supported beam and constructing its shear force diagram, SFD, and bending moment diagram, BMD. This is fundamental for any structural design. Here's our problem. We have a beam, AB, with a total span of 20 feet. It's subjected to a 600-pound downward point load at 10 feet from A and a 4,000-pound foot counterclockwise couple moment 5 feet from B. Our first step is always the free body diagram and finding the reactions. Free body diagram and reaction calculations. Since this is a simply supported beam, we have a pin at A and a roller at B. The reactions are vertical forces, AY and BY. We'll assume they act upward. 1. Sum of forces in y direction. We'll start with the equilibrium equation for vertical forces, Mathbefeature sigma Fy, Schache 0 Wasser. We'll take upward forces as positive. 2. Sum of moments about A. To solve for the unknowns, we need a second equation. We'll take the sum of moments about point A, with counterclockwise as positive, sigma Ma equals 0. We have three terms: the moment from the 600-pound force, the applied 4,000-pound foot couple, and the moment from the reaction By. The 600-pound force causes a clockwise moment, so it's negative 600 pounds times 10 feet. The 4,000-pound feet couple is applied counterclockwise, so it's positive, plus 4,000-pound feet. The reaction By causes a counterclockwise moment, so it's positive, plus By times 20 feet. Now substitute By back into equation 1. So the reactions are in MathBF AEY equals 500 pounds and a MathBF BY equals 100 pounds. Looks like the initial sketches AY and BY were actually incorrectly labeled in the image, but the final calculated values are what matter. Let's proceed with our correct values. 145 to 400. Step 2. Construct the shear force diagram, SFD. The shear force at any point is the sum of the vertical forces to the left of that point. We'll use the convention, up is positive, down is negative. Section 1, A to C, 0 feet to 10 feet. Start at A, the upward reaction, AY equals 500 pounds is our first force. Cut between A and C, there are no other loads. The shear remains constant. At point C, the 600-pound load, the 600-pound point load causes an instantaneous drop. Section 2, C to D, 10 feet to 15 feet. Let's call the point where the moment is applied D, 10 feet plus 5 feet equal 15 feet from A. Cut between C and D, no change in vertical forces. The shear is constant. Important note, the 4,000-pound feet couple moment does not affect the shear force. Section 3, D to B, 15 feet to 20 feet. No change in vertical forces. The shear is constant. At point B, the 100-pound reaction. The upward reaction, id math BF B equals 100 pounds, closes the diagram. Our SFD starts at plus 500 pounds, drops to minus 100 pounds at C, and remains at minus 100 pounds until it closes to 0 at B. Success. Constant shear means the BMD will be linear, 4 o'clock to 6:30. The bending moment at any point is the area under the shear force diagram up to that point. We'll use the convention. Tension on the bottom smiley face is positive moment. Moment at A, MA. Since A is a pin support at the end of the beam, MA equals 0. Moment at C, MC times MC is the area of the first positive rectangle in the SFD, from A to C. The moment diagram is a straight line since the shear is constant. Moment at D, M sub D, times M sub D is M sub C plus the area of the next section of the SFD, from C to D. The applied moment at D, now we account for the 4,000-pound feet applied couple moment at D. This causes an instantaneous jump in the BMD. The 4,000-pound feet moment is counterclockwise. For a beam segment to the left of the cut, a counterclockwise moment causes tension on the top, or frowning, which is a negative moment jump. The moment drops by 4,000 pound-feet. Moment at BMB.